Welcome to Codewars with JS by Pranav. So it's a new episode. We'll check remove explanation mark. So they have given us a string. In between there are many explanation mark. We have to remove it. So we'll just see what exactly that is. So suppose they have given HELL exclamation mark O. We have to remove it. The new string generated will be hello. If they're given T explanation mark, ME explanation mark something, the new resultant string will be TMEO. So what we'll do is we'll split by this explanation mark. Again, we can join. Once we split, the resultant will be array will be something like a T. So this is the break which we have given. We'll split it according to the explanation mark. So we have got three different uh, boundary. So it will be TM. So this is one more. The last one will be O. Now we got three different array. Now we will join all three. So that will be resulted to this. Okay, first we'll split, then we will join. We'll write a code for that now. So return. First we will split on the basis of the explanation mark. Then we will join. Okay, so this should be the answer. Yes. Cool. I'll submit it. So thank you.